An armbar is a grappling technique commonly used in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and other martial arts. The armbar is executed by controlling an opponent's arm and hyperextending the elbow joint by applying pressure on the arm with the hips, knees, or other part of the body. To execute an armbar, the attacker typically starts by gaining control of the opponent's arm and positioning their hips and legs around the opponent's torso. The attacker then extends the opponent's arm while rotating their hips to apply pressure to the elbow joint, causing the arm to bend in the opposite direction. The technique can be used to control or submit an opponent and is commonly used in ground fighting situations. Proper execution of the armbar requires careful control of the opponent's arm and a precise application of pressure to avoid injury to the opponent. The armbar can be performed from a variety of positions, including from the guard, mount, or side control. It is considered to be one of the most effective and versatile submissions in grappling, and is a fundamental technique for practitioners of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and other grappling arts.